Alex's story is one of struggle, perseverance, and ultimate triumph. Once buried under the weight of debt and living paycheck to paycheck, Alex felt trapped in a cycle of hard work without reward. But a single decision to change their mindset and habits became the turning point, setting Alex on the path to financial freedom.
The downfall, life for Alex was a constant struggle. Every paycheck was spent almost immediately on rent, bills, and groceries, leaving nothing for savings. Despite working long hours, the future felt bleak. In a moment of frustration, Alex shared with a sibling, "I don't know how much longer I can keep this up. I work so hard, but it feels like I'm stuck in the same place." The sibling replied, "You're so focused on surviving, but have you thought about where you want to be in 5 years?" This conversation planted a seed of doubt in Alex's mind. Could it be that their financial struggles weren't just about income, but about how the money was managed? The spark of change. One day, Alex stumbled upon an advertisement for a free financial literacy seminar. Reluctant but desperate, Alex decided to attend. The speaker at the seminar shared a powerful insight. Wealth isn't just about earning more money. It's about what you do with it. The poor work for money, but the wealthy make money work for them. After the seminar, Alex approached the speaker, Mr. James, and confessed, "I don't know where to start. I barely have anything left after paying my bills." Mr. James smiled and said, "Start small. Save 10% of every paycheck, no matter how little it is. Track every dollar you spend and focus on building assets, not liabilities. Remember, your financial freedom is one good decision away." This advice became the foundation for Alex's journey to financial freedom.
The transformation begins.
Determined to make a change, Alex took small but significant steps. They started tracking every expense, creating a strict budget, and eliminating unnecessary spending. Instead of eating out, Alex cooked meals at home. Unused subscriptions were cancelled, and a small emergency fund was built. When a friend noticed Alex's new habits, they remarked, "You're actually sticking to a budget. That doesn't sound like you." Alex replied, "It's not about what I want right now, it's about what I want most. And what I want most is freedom." With discipline, Alex began to save and even started a side hustle repairing and selling old electronics. The extra income was carefully invested into a simple index fund. Each small win, like paying off a credit card or saving for a future goal, brought Alex closer to financial stability.
Overcoming obstacles.
The road to financial freedom wasn't without challenges. One unexpected car repair threatened to undo months of progress. Alex felt disheartened but remembered Mr. James's advice. Discipline during tough times is what separates the successful from the rest. Instead of giving up, Alex took on additional freelance gigs, covering the expense while rebuilding the savings account. This experience strengthened their resolve to push forward. Alex also began learning about passive income and built a small portfolio of dividend-paying stocks. When Alex received the first $1,000 in dividends, it was a pivotal moment. They said with pride, "This is the first time I feel like my money is working for me." The breakthrough. Years later, Alex stood in front of an audience, now a motivational speaker, sharing the story of their transformation. "If you had told me years ago that I'd be here today, I wouldn't have believed you. But it wasn't luck that got me here, it was consistency, discipline, and a commitment to learning." Alex shared a final piece of advice. The journey from poverty to wealth isn't about winning the lottery. It's about changing your habits, taking small steps every day, and believing in your ability to succeed. If I can do it, so can you. Alex's story is proof that financial freedom is achievable with the right mindset and habits. It starts with one decision, one step, and a commitment to stick with it. If Alex's journey inspired you, take your first step today. Share your financial goals in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next story of transformation. Your financial future is waiting.